The brand sent me this heavy-duty bed rail for my honest review, and I am going to unbox it with you and set it up so we can see what the process looks like. This is perfect timing because my parents are about to visit, and this would be especially helpful for my mom because she has bad knees. She can have trouble getting in and out of the bed. The box itself has some weight. The railings are about 9 pounds, so it's not something very light. You're seeing everything that comes in this box. This also means all this needs to be assembled, so let's go ahead and just do that. It seems like a lot of little parts, but there are instructions and also a video on the product page that shows you how to assemble it, so it's fairly straightforward. Now let's go put it on the bed my parents will be using while they visit and see what it looks like. There are two options. You can have it stand against the floor, or you can have the railing hang without the legs hitting the floor. Personally, I prefer having legs on the floor because it feels like it has more support that way and it doesn't shift when pulling. I also like that if it's not being used, you can simply fold the handles down. That's a convenient feature, especially if not everyone needs to use it, but you don't have to always take it out and put it back when needed. You can just kind of leave it there. Overall, this is fitting well and is heavy duty just like the product claims, and I know it will be helpful for my mom.